What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Got my friend Riley. Today we are reviewing a cereal. We found this at the Target.
I didn't.
This is for Christmas Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch. Oh yeah, thumbnail. All right, so Sugar Cookie limited. Oh wait, limited edition. Don't cover Riley's face. Limited edition Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch. What do you think of this, Rye?
I didn't eat it yet.
Well, I know. What do you think? I mean, do you think it's going to be good?
Yeah.
Oh, by the way. Oh, that's the mystery guest behind the camera. This is something they had years and years ago?
Yeah, they brought it back.
I don't recall that. But you know what? I don't recall.
Like in the 90s.
I do not.
I was alive in the 90s. I don't recall this.
Of course
I
you were.
saw a thing with old boxes and, so they revamped it. And
So what you're saying is this is an old box of cereal from the 1990s?
might be a little
Oh god, we can't eat that.
That would be nice and crunchy. Or chewy, depending on, By the way, that rustling you hear,
Bear.
that would be Bear chewing on a nylabone.
He decided to not get him the
He
one
doesn't
that he
give
can
a-
drop on the floor.
He doesn't give a darn about the reviews. He don't care. So let's first give it the whiff test. Smells sugary,
Don't
like a
shove
sugar
your whole
cookie.
schnoz in there.
Shove the schnoz. All right, so let's pour some out into a bowl.
Doesn't smell like really.
Pour a little for Riley in a bowl.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Should we taste it without the milk first?
So here's what they look like, just like any other Toast Crunch type cereal.
It was out
Eat it without
previously
the
in
milk.
2015.
Oh, it was out in 2015, not 1990.
No,
There's a big difference there.
I'm looking, shush. That's the last time it was out.
I don't know.
I'm gonna pour the
These are
milk.
quite sugary.
Hand me the milk.
All right, let's put this box off to the side.
Hand me the milk.
I'm handing you the milk.
Hand me the milk.
Take off
I'm
the
gonna
lid
pour
for you.
you and
Be
I'm
careful. Be careful. Be careful. That's good. Oh.
I'm gonna pour yours.
Ah. Riley's trying to spill it. Good.
Yeah. Why are you picking up the bowl?
I have trust issues when it comes to giant jugs of milk. Let's give it a little proper
John.
spoon
That
mixage.
was John. He spilled that in the fridge.
It's all kids in general, usually. So here we go. This is the Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch with milk. Let's do this.
I like it better with milk.
Bear. Don't give a damn.
It's a very, very show.
Don't give a heck. So here we go. Bite number 2. That noise you're hearing is not the crunching in my mouth.
Okay.
It's the dog beneath my feet. Nylabones suck.
He's laying on the ground.
What are you doing? Hold on. What are you doing? Camera shy. Put that back. All right. So Riley, what do you think of the Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch cereal by General Mills?
I'm gonna give. Well, without the milk,
Yeah.
I'll give him like an 8.
Mm-hmm.
But with the milk, I'll give it a 10.
I concur. I believe that
You
that
concur.
I do. I think without the milk, it's kind of blah.
Yeah.
But with the milk, it's way better. It's a 10 all day. I would not recommend this to eat on a regular basis, though.
Mine.
Well, actually, I take that back. I thought there was a lot of sugar in this, but actually there's only Well, there is a lot of sugar in this, I should say. Because the serving is like 3/4 cup, and it's 9 grams per serving of sugar. So, if you were to eat a cup of the sugar, or a cup of the cereal, and this bowl is probably like 2 cups, you're looking at about, I don't know, I want to say like, my math sucks. I'm going to say like 15, 20 grams of sugar for a big bowl of cereal. This. So yeah, there's probably a lot of sugar. I wouldn't eat this every day, but it's nice for a fun treat, and I'm sure kids will love this. So that is a 10 all day.
It was introduced in 2014. Sorry, I was off.
Thanks for ruining the flow. 10 all day on the Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch, which was introduced in 2014 and brought back this year. That's pretty much it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video is coming out. And remember, folks, before you take the first bite, you gotta stuff it in your pie hole.